Very good morning, friends. Welcome to this Vedic Flip Words Workshop. In the next 3 days, we are going to spend together. We're going to learn a lot of things which will transform your life to better. Let us understand that in next 3 days, what are we going to learn? So I want to share my screen with you. Just give me a second. Right, so welcome back. Let us understand what are these ancient Vedic flip words. Before I proceed, I would like to give a little background of myself. My name is Dr. Sumit Sharma. I'm basically a chemical engineer by profession and a gold medalist from Mumbai University, from UDCT, and did my MBA from the US from the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. And I'm a doctorate in the science of NLP from the American Institute of Advanced Studies way back in 2010. I'm also a certified teacher of Bhagavad Gita and Mantra Sadhana from the Chinmaya Mission. I have been trained under my Guru Swami Sukhbuddhanandaji for 7 years in Vedic sciences and also in Gita. I have authored 15 books on spirituality, management, and healing sciences, all which are available on Amazon. You just put my name, Dr. Sumit Sharma, you'll get all my books. Apart from the above, I'm also a Reiki Grandmaster and a master teacher of most alternative healing sciences, advanced holographic healer. I'm a hypnotist and a past life regressionist, also acupressurist and healing all psychosomatic disorders by NLP since 1996, and the Dean of Utopia Learning and Healing Academy. So, what are these Vedic words? These are single Sanskrit Vedic syllables or phrases. They are derived from the Vedas, Upanishads, and other spiritual scriptures. Each word holds a specific vibrational frequency, and they remove all the blocks in our meridians which create issues in our life. When they are chanted, they reprogram the subconscious mind. The science behind this particular technology is that sound we know is a vibration, and vibration is nothing but energy. So the words create the frequency that influences the mind and environment. The ancient seers used to use this for spiritual and material success. Works similar to affirmations, but with cosmic vibrations. So, what are the benefits of using Vedic switch words? You can manifest wealth and abundance, attract love and relationship, remove obstacles and blocks, heal emotional and physical issues, spiritual growth and meditation, protection from negativity, enhanced focus and mental clarity. So some of the popular Vedic switch words you must be knowing is Shreem, which is a mantra for goddess Lakshmi to attract wealth, prosperity, and abundance in life. Kleem is a Vedic mantra for Krishna. So Krishna itself means Akarshanam. Akarshanam means attraction. So magnetism. So Krishna's life, if you observe, he was a very magnetic personality. He did not have any negativity within him. He was always full of love, and because he was full of love, he could attract people towards himself. Hrim, it represents power, manifestation, and protection. Gum is a Ganesha mantra which removes all obstacles, any difficulties in life. Ganesha mantra removes it. Ram is a Ram mantra which symbolizes courage, strength, and vitality. Om is a universal sound which represents universal peace, meditation, and connection. Nam for protection and shielding from negativity. How to chant these Vedic switch words? You can chant it minimum 51 times, 108 times, or 1008 times for better results. Or you can even write this word multiple times in a journal. You have to visualize your intention. What do you exactly want in life while chanting? And then just chant these words and you will start getting results. You can use also in meditation or breathing exercise. When you're doing yoga, you can simultaneously chant these words. Combine multiple switch words for enhanced results. For wealth, for example, Shreem and Hreem. If you chant Shreem and Hreem, you will attract wealth in life. Similarly, love. If you want to attract love in your life, Kleem and Hreem. For removing blocks in life, Gum and Ram. For protection, Dam, Reem, Ram. You can combine these words and keep on chanting as many times as possible in a day when that particular problem arises in your life. So let us see what are the real life examples of what has manifested. Friends, I am using this flip words since last 2 years when I learned it from my guru. And I started practicing. I don't teach anything unless and until I practice it myself. I got tremendous financial growth. I have had good relationships with the people whom actually I was not getting along well. So that negativity between them with me was neutralized. And good career opportunities came, something which I was not doing earlier. I started getting some new opportunities in it. And also in certain areas, everybody, each one of us have some emotional weakness. Either it will be anger or it will be ego or arrogance, calm, karma, this thing, other things like that. So all those emotions started coming into control. So let's do a guided chanting session. You can choose your intention, friends. I'll give you a minute. Just choose your intention, which can be related to health, it can be related to a career, relationship, money, or any difficulty. It can be a situation, or it can be your goal, or what exactly you want to heal with this thing. So just think of that situation or a problem or your intention. In your mind, just close your eyes and just chant 21 times Shreem, Reem, Kleem. 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 Now, as you're chanting, just notice the shift in the energy which happens by chanting this. You can do it mentally, you can do it aloud also. There's no problem. Just observe the shift in the energy. You'll be feeling better, you'll be feeling lighter, and you're feeling much positive in life. What are the best practices? Best practices is consistency is the key. One must do it on a daily basis. Use your clear intentions. You should be very clear what you want. You want to heal a situation or you want your goals, whatever. Chant with feelings and focus. It can be early morning or just before sleep. And every day, just keep a small journal where you can experience whatever you experience the whole day. You can just note it down what exactly happened. All positive things will start happening when you start using these words. No restriction as such, only the sanctity should be maintained. Sanctity means you should not chant it in a toilet or while doing anything else other than holy things. So when I discovered the power of these words by using it as guided by my guru, I started getting very good results, especially connected to wealth, health, and mindset. And also, I started doing a lot of deep research on the ancient texts and also started using the latest technology of artificial intelligence and, of course, ChatGPT and Google. And I found a lot of information by this thing, which I am putting it in a very concise manner to all of you so that you can start learning it and using it in your life. So, Vedic switch words, friends, are practical spiritual tools. They work on all levels, that is, your mental, emotional, and energy levels. It helps in manifesting desires quickly, a step towards self mastery alignment. Workshop for 3 days, you will get a PDF cheat sheet or 21 Vedic switch words and much more. Of course, we are going to learn more than 50 switch words for every situation in life, every situation. From that day, you will not feel helpless in your life. Let there be any problem, any situation, just chanting these words, you will find that that problem just goes away. Basically, the energies are so high of these words that they neutralize any negative situation within us or outside. There will be guided audio given to you for daily chanting, and you will become a part of a WhatsApp community where information can be shared time to time. So, friends, I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to see you in the next 3 days when we do this workshop, friends.